Create and manage test plan. Learn how to quickly create and manage your test plan's objectives, coverage, and key details. Select the project to access your workspace. Open the test plan section to manage your test strategies. Click Create Test Plan to draft a new QA blueprint. Start entering key details in the description field to ensure clear test requirements. Assign the requirement to a team member for ownership and accountability. Specify the software version for precise requirement tracking. Set the plan start date to organize your testing timeline. Choose an end date for requirement completion to stay on schedule. Click Create to save your new requirement and add it to the plan. Open a specific test plan to view or edit detailed information. Switch to test cases to see which scenarios are being validated. Link an existing test case to expand test coverage for this plan. Select Link Existing to add previously created test cases. Choose specific test cases for targeted validation. Confirm linking to associate the selected test cases with your plan. Open the Requirements tab to review all requirements connected to this test plan. Click Link to associate more requirements with your test plan. Select the relevant epic to ensure all core modules are covered. Switch to Stories for more granular requirement linking. Click Link to confirm, and link selected stories to the test plan. Go to Executions to manage run sessions for your test plan. Then you can see the test execution. Review the audit log for a transparent record of all changes. Select Generate Report to summarize your test plan activities. Choose the pre-execution template to create a baseline report before tests begin. Click Submit to start generating your tailored pre-execution report. Review focused details within your pre-execution report for targeted insights. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos from SpurQuality.